the next topic you have to learn in this chapter is about direct proportion and indirect proportion. In schoolings quite oftenly we learned the computation, the problems on direct proportion and indirect proportion. Students will take some examples. First we will know what is direct proportion, what is indirect proportion. If variables moving in same direction, both increase, both decrease, you call direct proportion. If one variable increases, other variable decreases, it is indirect proportion. I will take 2-3 examples so that you will understand. Example, if at all you purchase 10 books, you pay 500 rupees. 10 books will cost 500, 15 books will cost how much? More books you are purchasing, more money you have to pay. So, more books, more money, so it is your direct proportion. I will take one more example about direct proportion. If you prepare 4 hours per day, you may end up with overall 400 marks. You decided to prepare 4.5 hours per day. Daily your preparation is more, your marks theoretically should be more. You can call direct proportion. What about indirect proportion? I will take a nice example so that you remember it. In the schoolings it was there, 10 men can do a work in 30 days, 15 men can do in how many days? 10 men, 30 days to do a work. Same work, if there are 15 men doing the same work will finish less span of time. More workers, less span of time. That means number of workers more, whereas the time taken will be less. It is an example of indirect proportion. Let us assume another interesting example for indirect proportion. Daily your walking speed is 5 km per hour. At what speed you walk? 5 km. If you walk at this speed, from the home you reach the college in 30 minutes. 5 km per hour, 30 minutes you reach. One day when you came out of the house with nice zigzag t-shirt and with lot of music, when you came out of the house, one dog starts chasing you. Now you are running, that mad dog is chasing you, now you are running like a mad dog, now your speed is increased. Instead of 5 km per hour, that day it is 15 km per hour, like a scooty speed. If at this speed if you go, you reach the college in how many times? Definitely your speed is more, time taken should be less. It is an example of students' indirect proportion. Now, how to solve it? Quite often we will get confused how to go about, how to work out, like 2, 3, 4 variables problems are there. Students, shall we take this example? So, direct proportion or indirect proportion should be solved with a simple technique. The technique is, you should use the word only to, either more or less. With these two, your answer is concluded. I repeat, I will ask a question and you have to say your answer in either more or less. If you say this, your answer is done. How to go about? Let us take your next example. Problem number 10 will go. If 15 chairs cost rupees 750, what will be the cost of 32 chairs? So, the students, let us write an example, that problem number 10. 15 chairs, we will write chairs here, here we will write cost or amount. 15 chairs will cost you rupees 750. Students, refer your question. 15 chairs will cost 750. What will be the cost of 32 chairs? Is the question correct? 32 chairs will cost how much? This is a very simple example. You can answer easily. But how to answer is more important. What we will do, we will call this as X. Now, we will write here. Now, you tell me, there are more chairs. If you purchase more chairs, my number of chairs purchased is more, what should be your payment? 15 chairs I pay 750. If I get 32 chairs, should I pay more money or less money? You have to decide and tell me. Repeat a question again. 15 chairs cost 750. 32 chairs, more chairs if I purchase, definitely my payment should be more. So, more is the answer. So, we will write more chairs cost more amount. More chairs cost more amount. Or more chairs, more cost we will write. More chairs, more cost. This is what we need. More chairs are there, payment should be more. It should be more amount spending. Therefore, after writing X here, what is the opposite number? 750 More is the word. Tell me students, in this which is more? Is it 15 more or 32 more? 32 more, fix in numerator. So if you say more number, bigger number in numerator. The other number obviously denominator. If at all you said less, then among these two which is less? 15 is less, right, in the numerator. So your work is to fix numerator, other one is obviously denominator. So I repeat again, more chairs, more cost. So 750 into more of these two you have to write, 15 or 32, 32 is more, 32 by 15. If you solve these two, 15, 50 is so this comes to 1600. So now again you can verify, always in schooling your teacher should tell, verify, is it correct, logically you try. That is very important, even every part, especially commercial math. More chairs, more amount you said. Is this amount more? 1600 more. Is this more than 750? Yes. The amount 1600 is more than 750. So more amount you are spending, so it's correct. So finally we can conclude, more chairs, more cost, 1600 rupees. This was a very simple example. Student, now we will go for next one, where there is similar working. You have decided your answer more or less. With this I can conclude, whether direct or indirect, you have to work only by one logic, whether it is more or less. Actually, if you look at more chairs, more cost, you can write, if you want, you can write one line, it is a direct proportion. Fully you write direct proportion and write this, you will get the answer. Being a statement problem, you have to write the cost of 32 chairs is rupees 1600. Student, remember, any statement problem, you have to conclude in statement only. The previous solution was only 2 variables linked. Student, now we will go for 3 variables. This can come for 3 mark, 4 mark category, 3 mark category. This is where the question, problem number, all of you refer problem number 11. It goes, if 20 men can do a job in 18 days, working 3 hours per day, how long will 60 men take to do the same job, working 2 hours per day? If you look at this question, first you have to decide what are the 3 factors related. What are the 3 factors affecting? So, 3 factors are, there are men, first line let us read, 20 men, they can do a job in 18 days, working how many hours per day? 3 hours per day. 20 men, 3 hours per day, 18 days. How long, look at the next one, will 60 men will take daily working 2 hours per day. So this is question mark. So 20 men 3 hours per day can finish in 18 days. 60 men are there, only 2 hours per day, they will do in how many days? First, to solve it, I cannot take all 3 at a time. Student, observe carefully, we have to work out this to this. Men, 20 men can do in 18 days, 60 men how many days? If I have to link, more men, workers are more men, number of workers are more, whether they take more days or less days. 20 workers take 18 days, 60 workers are there doing the same work. More workers are there to finish it, the work will last in less number of days. Less, which is less in these two, more men requires less days. So, we have to write, like last problem, we will take this x opposite number 18 and underline less days. So, you have to make it, how do you make this less? I told you more means bigger number in numerator. If at all your answer reciprocation was less, which is less in these two, 20 is less. So, more men require less days, less. Tell me 20 and 60 which is less, definitely 20 is less by 60. Last one, you have to compare this to this. Cover it up, comparison, 3 hours per day 18 days, only 2 hours per day worker works. Since the workers daily working less, they take more days to complete. So, which is more in these two you have to work out. So, let us write this, less hours per day, instead of 3 it is coming to 2, less hours per day requires more days. Now, which is more in these two? So, again I told you this you have to underline more. which is more? 3 is more, 3 by 2. Now, if you look at more and less, definitely it is inverse or indirect proportion. Definitely less hours per day, more days required is also inverse proportion. If you solve it, zeros cancel, 2 cancel, 6 ones are 6 threes are, 3 threes are 9. Therefore, same work, if 60 workers are working daily, working 2 hours per day, how many days they require? It is just 9 days. Students, with this you can make out any complicated problem, you can work with more or less. All the theory which is only with 2 words, more, less. If more, fix bigger number in numerator. If less, fix the lesser number in numerator. Obviously, other one will go for denominator. 2 variable over, 3 variables over. Students, 2 and 3 are not up to the level. So, for you the level is high. Shall we go for 4 variables, bigger problem where multiple workings will come, which comes to you 5 mark category. Let us work out next question where there are more variables involved. Students, after learning the technique of more and less, shall we go for 4 variables? All of you are ready for working next level of problem, which is up to your level. These are all earlier problems of small chota problems. Now we will go for 4 variables. Here is an interesting question which has come in the previous exam, where when the question came, many students struggled, not been able to do, or taking x or reverse direct, but same more or less will solve your answer, will solve the entire problem in just 5 minutes. Look at the question. If 15 pumps working 8 hours per day can lift 3200 tons of water in 24 days, in how many days? 20 pumps working 10 hours a day lift 4000 tons of water. So, problem number 12 says there are how many pumps? First line, 15 pumps. All of you refer question number 12. 15 pumps working 8 hours per day can lift 3200 tons of water in how many days? In the first one, 24 days. How long? This is question mark. Will, in how many days or how long will 20 pumps working 10 hours per day lift 4000 tons of water? The big gardening is to be made. Assume 15 pumps you are using. If you use each pump 8 hours per day to lift the water, 3200 tons of water you can lift in 24 days. Suppose 4000 tons of water to be lifted with the help of 20 pumps, 5 more pumps, 10 hours per day, it will take how many days? As usual, always for that question mark, you have to link one by one variable. So, first if I take x, 15 pumps can finish the work in 20 days, more pumps are there, more pumps requires more days or less days? Students, can you answer? More pumps if you use, the number of days requires less days. First one. Now second one, to lift this all you have to keep it constant. Whenever there are multiple variables, take this to this, you have to take constant. Shall I repeat again? 15 pumps can finish the work in 24 days. If there are 20 pumps constant, same work, to do it with the help of 20 pumps, you take less days. So if it is less, how do you write? X equals 24 into less. Students, can you answer which is covering these two, which is less in this? When you say less, it is 15 by 20. Now we have to go for the second and last variable, keeping the first and third constant. How do you do it? 8 pumps require 24 days, 8 hours per day, 8 hours per day requires 24 days to complete. If same work, if at all daily you are using 10 hours per day, how many days? 8 hours per day working, 24 days it will go. 10 hours per day, daily you are using more number of hours per day, it will take more hours per day, takes again less days. Students, can you answer which is less in these two? 8 by 10. So we can conclude more hours per day. If you read instead of 8-10 hours per day, don't you think you will finish in less span of time? Yes. Similarly, this will be less, which is 8 by 10. Last one, the last two variables, To lift 3200 tons of water, 24 days. To lift 4000 tons of water, more quantity of water to be lifted. How many days? More days or less days? Students, quickly your answer. Respond quickly. 3200 tons of water, it is 24 days. 4000 tons of water, more work is there, more work is required to lift the water. Therefore, more quantity of work, therefore more days are required. Do you agree? 3200 tons of water to be lifted, 24 days. 4000 tons of water to be lifted means you take how many days? More days or less days? More work takes more days. Therefore, students, can you answer which is more in these two? Among these two, more is 4000 by 3200. 0 zeros cancel, 0 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4 eights are 8 8 cancel. So 5 threes are 5 fours are 4 ones are 4 6 are. Last answer 6 threes are 18. Finally, 20 pumps daily working 10 hours per day to lift 4000 tons of water require 18 days. So, if it in the examination, how to write? First line, more pumps requires lesser days. So, more and less, no, which proportion? Indirect proportion. Next line, 8 hours per day, 24 days. If there are 10 hours per day working, more hours per day, daily working is more, requires again lesser days. This is also indirect or inverse proportion. Last one, to lift 3200 tons of water, 24, 4000 tons of water to be lifted. Therefore, for more hours per day, here it requires more days. Student, this is also more, this is also more, this is direct proportion. You can write direct proportion dp. Next you write all this, conclude your statement problem, 4 mark, 5 mark category, conclude 20 pumps, 10 hours per day working, 4000 tons of water can be lifted in 18 days. So that will take 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, direct and inverse proportion. Though it looks little big to you, with the help of more or less any kind of problem you can work out. Students will go for next one. We will work out 13th problem. It goes like this. 4 men or 12 women can do a job in 5 days, working 8 hours per day. In how many days? 2 men and 4 women can do the same job, working 10 hours a day. Students, first here you have to note the given first line men or women, whereas next line men and women. So the first part is or, whereas second line it is given as and. This is where the major difference in this question. How do you go about? First you have to write first line given 4 men or means equal to, either you employ 4 men or you employ 12 women. That means we can compare 4 men work is equal to 12 women work, 1 man work is equal to 12 divided by 4, 3 women work. What 1 man can do, same can be done with the help of 3 women. 1 man work equals 3 women work. This is the first part you need to work. Now what we will do, you will work out into 3 parts of the question. It is women, number of women, hours per day and number of days. 3 variables are. First line more 4 men or 12 women, we will take it as women only. How many women are there? 12 women. How many hours per day? 8 hours per day. It can be completed in how many days as per the question? It can be completed in 5 days. Now 10 men, second part is about 2 men and 4 women. Sorry, it is 2 men plus 4 women. I converted and I have written 10 women. How do you work it out? 2 men plus 4 women. 1 man is equal to 3 women work, 1 man 3 women, 2 men is equal to 2 into 3, 6 women plus 4 women. I cannot add men and women in this question. It is 2 men and 4 women. 2 men work is equal to 6 women work. Therefore, 1 man 3 women means 2 men 6 women. 6 women plus 4 women, these two together you can write 10 women. 10 women working how many hours per day? 10 hours per day, can complete in how many days? As usual, we will take x. X equals 5 days, opposite number 5 days. 12 women can complete in 5 days, 10 women. Therefore, number of women are less, they take more days to complete. When number of workers are less, the work is same, it will be more days. So, more means what in these two? 12 by 10. Third one, 8 hours per day, 5 days, 10 hours per day, how many days? If you prepare 8 hours per day, you can complete the commercial maths in 5 days. Now, suppose daily it became very interesting to you, you became excited to work more number of problems, instead of 8 hours per day, assume it is 10 hours per day, you will take, if it is more hours per day, you tell me same portion you will complete in more days or less days. Definitely your answer will be less, because daily preparation is more. So, you take less days. Now, which is less in this? 8 is less upon 10. If you, so should write less, more hours per day, less days required. Less is, which is less in these two? 8 upon 10. If you simplify this, 5 ones are 5 twos are, then it is again 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 3s are, 3 8s are, 3 into 8 24 by 5. 24 by 5 is 4.8. So, your last concluding answer is 2 men, read the last line of the question, 2 men and 4 women which are converted into 10 women, 2 men and 4 women working 10 hours per day can complete the work in how many days? Answer is 4.8 days. Students, now we will go for 14th problem. This is about a question which has been asked about 3 to 4 times in the previous exam, and little more computations comes for 5 marks. Let us look at question number 14. All of you refer the question book. 8 men and 16 boys can do a work, can finish a work in 6 days, but 2 men and 24 boys can finish it in just 8 days. In how many days 16 men and 20 boys can complete the given work? Now, here like last problem, men or women was there. Here it was not like that. Men and boys, again men and boys, again the third one is 16 men and 20 boys work, in how many days the work can complete. All of you read the question once again, then we will work out how to do that entire problem in step by step. First, all of you read the question again. As per that first line, it says 8 men and how many boys? 8 men and 16 boys can finish the work. 8 men and 16 boys can finish the work, can complete in how many days? As per that sentence, read, all of you read the question, can complete in 6 days. Okay. Now, what we have to do here is, I will just ask you an example. Suppose 2 persons can do a work in 3 days. 2 persons can do a work in 3 days. You want to complete just in 1 day. If at all you want to complete in just in 1 day, then you have to employ 3 times of the persons. I will give one more example if it is not clear. 2 persons can do a work in 3 days. Example, you want to complete in just in 1 day, then you have to employ 3 times of whatever number of persons there. If 2 persons means 3 times means 6 persons are there, they can complete in 1 day. I will give one more example. 5 friends of you together can complete, 5 friends together can complete a painting in 10 days. How many days? In 10 days. But you don't have 10 days to complete, you want to complete entire painting in 1 day. That means number of workers should be 10 times of it. That means 5 into 10, 50 persons can complete the painting in 1 day. This is how you have to keep in your mind. What I am saying is, this you have to take into 1 day. In order to complete in 1 day, whatever number of men and boys can complete in 6 days. In 1 day means 6 times you have to employ. Therefore, multiply by 6. 8 6 are 48 men plus and 16 into 6, 96 boys can complete in how many days? Students, can you answer? Can complete 6 times of it. This is in 6 days. By employing 6 times, it will complete in 1 day. This is one, let us call. Students will go for second sentence. What the second sentence says? 2 men and 24 boys can complete in how many days? As per the refer the question, straight away it is given in 8 days. Just like here in 6 days, in order to finish in 1 day, I have employed 6 times. Students, in 8 days it will complete. Suppose you want to do the work in just in 1 day, I have to multiply by 8. If I multiply by 8, it becomes 2 8s are 16 men, 24 8s are 8 4s are 32. So it is 192 boys can complete in 1 day. Okay. Now, if you observe carefully, 48 men and 96 boys can complete in 1 day. Same way 16 men and 192 boys can also complete in 1 day. Here also in 1 day the work will get over. Here also in 1 day the work will get over. It means in 1 day the entire work will get over. Here also same. That means what 48 men and 96 boys will do? Entire finishing the work. Same 16 men and 192 boys also will do. It implies this is also 1 day. Comparing, students, can we say like this? Comparing 48 men plus 96 boys will finish in entire work in 1 day. Here also entire work in 1 day. That means what these people will do, same these people also will do. What they do? They complete 100% work. Here also 100% work. Therefore, this person's work is equal to 16 men work plus 192 boys work. Here full work, here also full work. Therefore, these two people together do the same work. I have to equate it. It is an arrangement. 48 minus 16, bring this 16 this side. 32 men is equal to 96 this side. 192 minus 96, it will be 96. 192 minus 96, boys you can deduct 96 boys. 32 men work is equal to 96 boys work. 1 man work is equal to, use calculator, 96 by 32, 32 3s are. 1 man work is equal to 3 boys work. So, one part of the work over. With this help, student, you have to answer the next question. What is that next question is about? Same way 16 men and 20 boys can complete the given work in how many days? So, we can take any one as the base. Now, there are 4 equations here. This, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any one you take and you can proceed. Whatever you take, it gives the same answer. Shall we take the first one? Men and 8 men and 16 boys can complete in days. Now, I don't take men and boys. Lower unit of work, we will take boys and we will take days. This is how you have to work it out. Next step, don't take men and boys, take only boys. First, it's given, observe here, 8 men and 16 boys, 8 men plus 16 boys. I cannot take men and boys together to here, all into boys. Student, we know 1 man work is equal to 3 boys. So, 8 men means 8 into 3, 24 boys plus 16 boys. I couldn't add 8 and 16 because men and boys, but if I multiply by 3 times here, 24 boys plus 16 boys. So that means nothing but 40 boys can complete in 6 days. What we say, 8 men and 16 boys, as good as saying 40 boys can complete in 6 days. Now you read the last line. What it says? 16 men plus 20 boys. 16 men plus 20 boys. 1 man is equal to 3 boys. 16 into 3, 48 boys plus 20 boys. It implies total number of boys, 16 men and 20 boys, is equal to 68 boys. Can complete in how many days? Like we worked out direct proportion, indirect proportion. I told you one simple 2 words, more less. Same logic you apply here also, your answer is ready. So x is equal to 6 boys into 40 men can finish in 6 days. If at all you employ 68 boys, 40 boys can finish in 6 days. If at all you employ 68 boys to do the same work, more boys are there, same work will get soon. Work will complete in less days. Student, is it more or less? Correctly you tell. More boys, same work, that will finish in less days. Tell me what is less in these two. 40 is less, 40 upon 68. Student, all of you use the calculator. 6 into 40 divided by 68 if you do, you will arrive at 3.52. It will continue, we can take 2 decimal places. 3.52 what? 3.52 days. Therefore, the question was 16 men and 20 boys can complete the work in 3.52 days. The last answer is 3.5. This will come for 5 marks. I will just tell you how mark will be awarded to you, so that it will be very clear to you in the exam how to present your answer. First, this all will be given 1 mark, this first step conversion, 1 mark here, 1 plus 1, 2 mark. Here to work it out, 1 more mark will be awarded to you. Then this is 3 marks, writing into all into boys and days. So 1, 2, 3, here 1 mark, 4 mark, last final answer plus 1 mark. So 5 marks, like that neatly step by step you have to write. Conclusion, 2 things we need to know. Men and boys in so many days, 6 days. So multiply by 6, it will convert into 1 day. I will go again slowly if you can observe. 8 men and 16 boys complete in 6 days. Now 6 days is there, no? Multiply by 6 times of the persons, it will complete in 1 day. 8 6 are 48, 16 6 are 96 boys in 1 day. Same if you do 8 days. So I want to complete in 1 day means I have to employ 8 times. This becomes like this. Comparing both, 48 men and 96 boys complete in 1 day. Same here also. Equating 1 and 2 or comparing 1 and 2. This plus this is equal to 16 men plus 192 boys. Solve it. 1 man work equals 3 boys work. That is the first computation. Once that is done, don't take men and boys. As we discussed, you have to take only men or boys. Lower unit of work boys. So I have taken boys. I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, anyone. I have taken this first line. 8 men plus 16 boys. 1 man, 3 boys. 8 into 3, 24 boys. Plus 16 boys. Now I can add 24 plus 16, 40 boys, 6 days. Similarly, 16 men and 20 boys can do in how many days? 16 3 is the 48 boys plus 20, 68 boys in how many days? Solve it. How to solve? More boys are there to do the same work, they take less days. What is less about here? 40 and 68, 40 is less, 68 is bigger. Less means lesser number in numerator. So 40 by 68, solve it, 3.52 days. Write in a statement form. Students, that will be the different types of direct proportion, indirect proportion.